It is a beautiful, beautiful Wednesday morning. It's Wednesday, right? Yeah, it's Wednesday. I am up at Brown's Ranch, going to attempt a KOM today. So my dad currently owns the KOM, which is the king of the mountain, so fastest time, on a section called the Llama Bite. I don't know why it's called that, but that's what it's called on Strava. The only thing that could thwart my attempt today is the fact that there's quite a few people out this morning. So let's see if I can do it. My best time is 52:50. I think my dad's best time is 49:30. And so, or that's what my goal is. My goal is to hit 49:30, and then I will have the fastest time. Let's see what happens. On your left. Have a good day. Okay, like I said, my only concern of this PR is the people on the trail. There's a lot of people, and they come first. I think it starts right about here, is where the official section starts. So here we go, baby. Coming up on your left. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Now this is Brown's Ranch Road, which is kind of the central artery of the park. So not surprised to see a lot of people on it. That was good. Oh, almost jumped there unintentionally. Now the old man is notoriously faster than me on climbs. So I know if I can get to the top of this thing in 25 minutes, I've got a legit shot at beating him, because there's a lot of downhill. Yes, basically did that in 22 minutes. I got a legit shot at doing this. Here we go. Now, I'm not gonna know quite for sure exactly how I'm doing, because I'm not exactly sure when my clock started or when the segment started. I know ballpark. The other thing is my watch auto pauses whenever I stop, but this segment is timed as your overall time. So oh, stay on the trail, Jeremy. Oh shoot, there's a snake on the ground. Oh, wasn't a rattler, but he still scared the crap out of me. Still not tight on cornering yet. But this thing does roll a whole heck of a lot better than my old bike. I have to make some adjustments to my shifting. I can feel it clicking a little bit back there. And that happens with a new bike. You stretch out the cables that come with it. And oh yeah, I got some good air off of that. Take this tight. Perfect. So cool back here in the shade. I mean, a lot of what sounds like rattlesnakes, but way back off the trail. So it's only mildly terrifying. Oh yeah, that felt good. Oh, so much less work than my old bike. See what these segments come out at? I think they're gonna come out faster, but maybe not. I'm not pushing super hard because I want to save some for the rest of these uphills I've got. Oh yeah. Oh, this thing pumps so good. On more than a few occasions, my old man and I have missed this turn. Back to some climbing. This is kind of flat climbing though. 10 minutes, 9 minutes to finish this trail out. I don't think I'm gonna make it, friends. Dang it. I thought that was a turn. So close. Well, I didn't quite do it. I thought I was doing good at the top of the hill. I need to double check the comparison to see where I was slower than the old man. But I got third overall. I'm third best overall. I hit 51:30 something, I think. And my dad's time is 49:50 something, 52 or something like that. So still got about a minute and a half. Honestly, shoot for about 2 minutes coming off my time, which the only place I'm really going to make that up a lot is on the climbs. That's where I'm definitely the slowest, but I was also not pushing as hard on the downhills because I was trying to save some of my energy for the uphills and stuff like that. So my biggest factor is my weight. I'm just carrying too much extra. So I think if I can continue to see the weight loss that I've been seeing over the last couple months, couple more months time, down 10, maybe 15 pounds, and I'll probably have a legitimate shot at it. I think that's my biggest problem right now, but it's a great ride. I mean, I got PRs on like every section. I think only 2 or 3 sections I got my second best or third best time. So, but the vast majority of them, and I'll put image of the timesheet up there, got PRs on like every segment. So was a great ride. I did really, really good, just not quite good enough to be the old man. That guy, I swear. Grandpa strength. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little attempt at KOM, trying to beat the old man. I'll get him someday.